In the wild, the law is written where only the strong survive. A wolf's compassion for a lamb would be its demise. A fatal strive, the lion's war, a warning call to respect the natural law. Between species, no empathy stands, just instinct and primal hands. Nature's laws, they don't discriminate. Good and evil, just perspectives create. Survival of the fittest, that's the test. Interspecies compassion, a suicidal quest. The white man's burden weighs him down, taxes heavy as a crown, supporting others' growth and life while his own kid struggles to take flight. The last female sung by foreign eyes, a future uncertain, a dying sigh. Nature's laws, they don't discriminate. Good and evil, just perspectives create. Survival of the fittest, that's the test. Interspecies compassion, a suicidal quest. The mountain's burden weighs him down, taxes heavy as a crown, supporting others' growth and might while his own king struggles to take flight. The last female sought by foreign eyes, a future uncertain, a dying sigh. Morality is but a human guide. Nature doesn't recognize our pride. Good and evil labels we assign, but in her eyes, it's just survival time. If the lion feasts on lamb's tender flesh, is it good or evil, just nature's mesh? The answer lies not in our judgment seat, but in the cycle of life and death we meet. Nature's laws, they don't discriminate. Good and evil, just perspectives create. Survival of the fittest, that's the test. Interspecies compassion, a suicidal quest. No contradictions within her code, just an endless cycle to abode. Morality is but a human guide. Nature doesn't recognize our pride. Good and evil labels we assign, but in her eyes, it's just survival time. If the lion feasts on lamb's tender flesh, is it good or evil, just nature's mesh? The answer lies not in our judgment seat, but in the cycle of life and death we meet. Nature's laws, they don't discriminate. Good and evil, just perspectives create. Survival of the fittest, that's the test. Interspecies compassion, a suicidal quest. No contradictions within her code, just an endless cycle to abode.